Welcome. If you've ever opened your Gmail and felt overwhelmed by a mix of promotional emails, updates, and random messages, you're not alone. Today, we're going to fix that by showing you how to set your Gmail inbox to display important emails first. This quick update will help you stay organized and make sure you never miss what truly matters. Let's get started. First, open the Gmail app on your phone. You'll see your list of emails as usual. Now, look to the top left corner and tap on the three horizontal lines that's the menu icon. Next, scroll down that menu until you find Settings. Go ahead and tap on it. You'll now see all the Google accounts you've added to Gmail. If you have more than one, choose the account whose inbox settings you want to update by tapping on your email address. Once you're in that account's settings, find the option labeled Inbox Type. This is where you tell Gmail how to organize your messages. Tap on Inbox Type and you'll see several options like Default, Unread First, and Start First. From that list, select Important First. Gmail will immediately rearrange your inbox so that your most important emails always appear at the top. These are the messages Gmail identifies as high priority based on your past behavior, the ones you open, respond to, or mark as important. After choosing Important First, back out to your inbox view. You'll now see your emails neatly divided into two sections. Important at the top and everything else below. It's a simple change, but it can make a big difference in how efficiently you manage your messages each day. That's it. You've just learned how to set your Gmail inbox to show important emails first. Now, you can focus on what's essential without getting distracted by less urgent messages. If you found this helpful, take a minute to organize your inbox today. Your future self will thank you for it.